We'll guide you through how to change CapCut export settings to customize your video quality just the way you want it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your CapCut project on your desktop and make sure everything is edited and ready to go. Once you're satisfied with your project, look for the e-export button. It's usually at the top right of your workspace. Click on it, and a new window will pop up with various export settings. Here, you can adjust the resolution, frame rate, and format of your video. For the highest quality, set the resolution to 1080p or 4K if your original footage supports it. Choose a frame rate that matches your original video file, typically 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. If you're planning to upload your video to platforms like YouTube, selecting a higher frame rate can offer smoother playback. Next, look at the file format. MP4 is a great choice for most purposes, because it provides a good balance between quality and file size. If you need a smaller file size, you can adjust the bitrate, but remember that reducing the bitrate too much can affect the video quality. Once all settings are adjusted to your preference, click on the e-export button. CapCut will start processing your video based on these settings. This process might take a few minutes depending on the length and quality of your video. Once completed, you can find your video in the designated output folder and check if it meets your expectations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.